I'm gonna show you the secret how you can go viral on TikTok. Simply, you want the first 3 seconds, you wanna hook people. You can put a little text, or you can start with the audio A, B, C, D, E, F, friends and family, and we want followers, and so they can give us flowers in the live. You don't need to use this song, but you see what happened? When you hear a song that you recognize, you wait because you wanna wait for the beat. You can use the audio to hook people. You can use a visual, something they can see in the start. You want to try so many different types of videos until you figure out what hook, what starts, what gets you the most views, because you want to analyze the data. You want to see the comments, what people are saying. You want to include, that's another secret. Second one, you want to include something in the video purposely, something you say or something you show or something in the background. Like something needs to be included in every video you try. That's gonna be unnormal, unrecognized, or like different than anyone in the niche, in the industry, whatever. So people will comment, and you want to find the thing that people are always commenting on it and saying it. You want to keep repeating in different videos. You want to do something similar. This is, I guarantee, the famous people, they go first time, like obviously viral. That's how they. I guarantee to you, the famous people, the celebrities, the one that you know, they go viral the first time, always by luck. But then, if they keep repeating it every time, it means they have a formula. It's the 3 step that I told you. You include something in the video every time you try a different type until you figure out what is the thing. You figure out the hook. You figure out the format of the video. How you keep repeating the same video type every time, and it's gonna work. What else? Hashtag or not hashtag? It's not important. If the video is short, 14 seconds or something, you can loop it. It can start again. That's another secret. If the video is longer than 30 seconds, don't loop it, obviously. The time you post. Whatever your video is ready and you go to consume, you post it and you start consuming. This is like, when you look at the data, look at the hook, the retention graph. I don't know, it's going to be somewhere here. You look at the data, you look at the retention, and you figure out what people are dropping. And that means the intro is working, but then after the intro, people are dropping. So you got to figure out how to adjust the type of the video. You keep the hook, you adjust inside. You will figure out the stuff, trust me.